and then his mom over there, his sister. So yeah, say hi, birthday boy. Good. You look good. Look at him. Well, I see y'all when I get inside.
Alright, y'all, what's good, YouTube? She had my camera for like 4 days straight vlogging for y'all. I don't even know what's on there yet. I ain't edited yet, obviously. Well, by the time y'all watch it, I edited it yet. But today my birthday, I'm 20 years old. Hey, rate my outfit real quick. Rate it 1 through 10. Alright, y'all, rate it 1 through 10 in the comment section. Y'all let me know. And this the cake that got me. Big TOE in the chat. Yeah, comment down happy birthday for me one time. But yeah, we had the main event. This is part 1 of my birthday.
I see that.
Same pose every time. We about to get lit.
Here.
Bruh.
You like it?
What happened now? The true income tax.
You keep holding your chest.
Guns is beat fast. I thought we was leaving. I was about to yeah. Baby just got a car, you have a heart attack.
Oh, that's where we're going. Why we gotta turn the It's clean now.
Got 4 doors.
Don't sit with him.
It's on the radio.
Don't sit with him so he can go park.
No, let him go.
Oh, you got sports mode too? I'm trying to make it go fast.
You trying to hook the Bluetooth up?
I'm trying to put this.
That ain't the time.
Huh? Yeah, don't ever park close to people.
Park close by where we walk there.
Can't even hear it. I love that baby.
How you feel?
I know, I like it. This, oh my.
I know you was outside crying.
I was not.
Oh, you was. Okay, so now he gonna open his gift. This is the first one I got for him. One at a time.
What is this? This the inappropriate stuff you're talking about?
Don't open the camera. Don't open it.
Okay. I love you.
I know.
I got the mic for the camera.
That's the one
Now
you
I can take it
wanted.
off of
That's
my-
the one you
Yeah,
wanted.
now I can take
You
it
sure?
off. Positive.
Okay.
Now I can take it off of my list. My Amazon cart. This is Kobe.
It's on bracelets. I know you like them bracelets, the Gumby bracelets. So, and I know you love Kobe Bryant.
Kobe. I'm gonna wear one a day. This is. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is perfect. Look. And then some more peeps. That's some more.
Peeps.
Okay. Next is
Okay.
my brother.
Now that one is for his brother.
This what is Jordan.
Oh, what you got in there? Oh, they're nice. Look at them. Show him.
I love this mini shoe. These mugs.
They're really pretty. Tell him thank you.
Thank you, big bro. And he got me an outfit.
Period.
He got me. This probably Marine got me Nike shorts.
That's so cute.
Nike shorts.
Ooh, that's nice.
Facts.
Another one?
Some
That's the
more
last one?
shorts. Nope.
No?
And one more.
Ooh.
One more.
That was cute too.
Some green shorts.
Mm-hmm. They're really nice.
Alright.
What you say?
Thank you.
Hold up. This is mine also. Hold up.
Oh, that's me. That's me.
That's you.
That's me. What is this, a carpet?
A carpet.
This is
Go show your parents. And look, you can always remember how many subscribers you had and how many videos you have.
facts.
Look how cute.
How you did that?
Don't worry about it.
This is hard.
I know. Subscribe, just like he says right there.
The peak counting barely made it. But it's still obvious.
Yeah.
Hey, boy,
You like it?
this is hard. This is the best. This is hard. I don't know. I like the bracelets, and I needed that mic. That mic I needed. I don't know. And the shoes hard. I like all of it. I love it.
Everything. Even the clothes.
This is hard.
Everything. You had an amazing birthday.
Thank you.
So what you gotta say?
Today was a 10 out of 10. I'm officially 20 years old. Thank God. If y'all enjoyed the video that she made that I didn't even watch it because I gotta edit it tonight. Probably gonna go up Friday or Saturday. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And change this 2,000 to 2 million, no cap off.
Period.
And like I always said, couple bangs on the way.
Bye.